This 2018 Airstream Atlas Murphy Suite is a Class B RV. It is located in Buda, Texas, 78610 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Austin. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2018 Airstream Atlas Murphy Suite is built on a Sprinter 3500 cutaway chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.